Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hello. My audio is clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
No, it is rough or clean, good quality?
Yes, Prabhuji.
It's okay. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudhiraye Nashra Prayasha Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki Swayam Lokam Na Viduste Vai Devo Janardanaha Aurdhomradhiyo Vedam Sakarmakam Atad Vidaha Swam Lokam Na Viduste Vai Yatra Devo Janardanaha Aurdhomradhiyo Vedam Sakarmakam Atad Vidaha Samlokam Na Viduste Vai Yatra Devo Janardanaha Aurdhomradhiyo Vedam Sakarmakam Atat Vidaha Samlokam Na Viduste Vai Yatra Devo Janardanaha Aurdhomradhiyo Vedam Sakarmakam Atat Vidaha Samlokam Na Viduste Vai
Dhumradhiyo Vedam
Yes, online, anybody wants to chant?
हरे कृष्ण
Krishna
प्रभु जी
Prabhuji, Devarabadam.
स्वं लोकं न विदुस्ते वै यत्र देवो जनार्दनः आहुधूम्रादियो वेदं सकर्मकं मतस्थितः हरे
हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्ण प्रभु जी स्वां लोकं न विदुषे वै यत्र देवो जनार्दनः आहुर्दुम्रधियो वेदं सक्रमकम् असद्विदः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
स्वलोकं न विदुषेवे यत्र देवो जनार्दन आहुर्धर्म धियो वेदं सकर्म कर्म अतद्विदः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी स्वलोकमपि दुस्ते वे यत्र देवो जनार्दनः आहुर्धूम्रधियो वेदं सकर्मकं असद्विदः
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी स्वलोकम न विददेहे देवी सर्वलोकाना विदवे यत्र देवो जनार्दन आहुधर्मा धियो वेदं सकर्मात विदुद्देत। हरे कृष्ण।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी स्वं
Hare
स्वं
Krishna.
लोकं न विदुस्ते वै यत्र देवो जनार्दनः आहुर्धूम्रधियो वेदं सकर्मकम् अतद्विदः।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी समलोकं न विदुस्ते वै यत्र देवो जनार्दनः आहुतुम्रधियो वेदं सकर्म कामतद्विदः। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी स्वलोकं न विदुषे वै यत्र देवो जनार्दनः आहुर्दुर्मात्रियो वेदं सकर्मं कमत आद्वितः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हरे कृष्ण जी त्वं लोकं न विदुस्तवे यत्र देवो जनार्दनः आहुर्धूम्राधियो वित्तं सकर्म कमतद्विदः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
Let us continue. Swam, oh, lokam, abode, na, never, viduhu, no, te, such persons, vai, certainly, yatra, where, devaha, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Janardanaha, Krishna or Vishnu, Ahuhu, speak, Dhumra Dhiyaha, the less intelligent class of men, Vedam, the four Vedas, Sakarmakam, full of ritualistic ceremonies, Atat Vidaha, persons who are not in knowledge. Those who are less intelligent accept the Vedic ritualistic ceremonies as all in all. They do not know that the purpose of Vedas is to understand one's own home, where the Supreme Personality Godhead lives. Not being interested in their real home, their illusion, and the search after other homes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Prabhupada ki jai. Generally, people are not aware of their interest in life to return back home, back to Godhead. People do not know about their real home in the spiritual world. In the spiritual world, there are many Vaikuntha planets, and the topmost planet is Krishna Loka, Goloka Vrindavana. Despite the so-called advancement of civilization, there is no information of the Vaikuntha Lokas, the spiritual planets. At the present moment, so-called advanced civilized men are trying to go to other planets, but they do not know that even if they go to the highest planetary system, Brahma Loka, they have to come back again to this planet. This is confirmed in Bhagavad Gita 8.16. Ma brahma bhuvanalokaha punar avartino arjuna mam upetya tu kaunteya punar janmana vidyate. From the highest planet in the material world down to the lowest, all are places of misery wherein repeated birth and death take place. But one who attains to my abode, O son of Kunti, never take birth again. If one goes to the highest planetary system within this universe, he still has to return after the effects of pious activities are finished. Space vehicles may go very high in the sky, but as soon as their fuel is finished, they have to return to this earthly planet. All these activities are performed in illusion. The real attempt should now be should now be to return home back to Godhead. The process mentioned in Bhagavad Gita, Yanti Yaji Apimam. Those who engage in devotional service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead return home back to Godhead. Human life is very valuable and one should not waste it in vain exploration of other planets. One should be intelligent enough to return to Godhead. One should be interested in information about the spiritual Vaikuntha planets and in particular the planet known as Goloka Vrindavana and should learn the art of going there by the simple method of devotional service, beginning with hearing Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu. This is also confirmed in Srimad Bhagavatam 12.3.51. Kaledosha nidhe rajan asti eko mahan gunaha kirtanadeva krishnasya mukta sangha param vrajet. One can go to the supreme planet Param Vrajet simply by chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. This is especially meant for the people of this age, Kaler Dosha Nidhi. It is a special advantage of this age that simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, one can become purified of all material contamination and return home back to Godhead. There is no doubt about this.
There is no doubt about this. There is no doubt about this. Okay. Om Ajnanatimidandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gaudavani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Samlokam na viduste bhai yatra devo janardanaha ahus dhumra dhiyo bhedam sakarmakam atad vidaha. Those who are less intelligent accept the Vedic ritualistic ceremonies and all in all, they do not know that the purpose of the Vedas is to understand one's own home, where the Supreme Personality Godhead lives. Not being interested in their real home, their illusion and search after other homes. Hare Krishna. So home, how do you define a home? What is there in a home that is different from other places? Correct? At home, there is no business, first thing. There is no, if the mother make breakfast for you, it's not that how much you have to pay. Correct? Without asking it is there. Anna? What qualifies something as a home? So everything is a mere structure. So what is a home? Home where there is no business transaction, there is affection, there is care, Anna? There is so much so-called in this world, so-called love. So everything is, Anna, this kind of nature. So that is, we consider it as home. But actually if you see, this material world, everything is illusory. The body, we are thinking we are the body, we are not the body. We are the spirit soul. Actually home is also not home. I was seeing one video, one man is going on a scooter and backside it is father and mother, which are very old, maybe 80, 85. He gets them out from the scooter and runs away. In Vrindavan it is happening. So many people bring their old mothers and they leave in Vrindavan and run away. Right? So in this world, actually, there is no home. This is home. Prabhupada himself jokes, I told you so many times, when money got finished, because he lost business, the people and family lost interest in him. And this is actually a fact. Ask anybody, the day you retire, in the same house, your respect is equal to the pet dog in the house. Same respect. As much he is getting, that much respect you are getting. It becomes very difficult. There was once I was telling you, how is everything? So he opened his purse, he said, there is money in this now. The day the money is finished, then my condition will be miserable, even in the so-called home. So because actually Just like the body is illusory, even the relationships are illusory. He is my mother, that shape is there. The feeling of mother is there. Because we have come from the spiritual world, we have that feeling, Vaselya Rasa. But the object cannot reciprocate perfectly. It cannot. So therefore there is something called home. Abhi humko मालूम नहीं है, just imagine. We are thinking this world is a home. Prabhupada is saying, vainly searching after home in the material world. Now there is so much. Prabhupada is writing in the purport. Give that purport, send to the idiot Musk. Prabhupada is saying, do not waste your time. He is spending billions and billions of dollars. From where money is coming? See, money is constant. Now, all the money may be with you for some time, then it may be with her. Money is same, no? Money is only rotating. So whatever money anybody is having is public money. Not only the trust, for actually whatever money he is having is public money. And what he wants to use public money for? Going to Mars. What you will do there? Spending one visit will cost you lakhs of crores rupees. People living on earth, their life can be more comfortable than that. And then they are searching for home somewhere, safe home, one home, safe home. So much energy. When Prabhupada was presented, we want to go to the Mars, Prabhupada said, waste of time and energy. He said, wow, time and energy, it's a waste. But no, we do not understand actually. When they say, no, Swamiji, we are curious. Prabhupada said, childish curiosity. That's what Prabhupada says, the famous shloka. Who knows the shloka? Abrahma bhuvana loka.
Abrahma bhuvan.
Punavrtena Arjuna.
Then,
kaunteya punarjanma na vidyate. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
yeah, one more time somebody can chant.
Abrahma bhuvana
ठीक है? So, Abrahma bhuvana loka. So this whole universe you can rotate. But you have to come back. Prabhupada give an example, just like an aircraft, it goes in the air. When fuel is finished, it has to come back. Even you go to Deva Loka, when your punya is finished, you have to come back. What is the shloka? Shine punya martalokam vishante. Yes, anybody can chant the shloka.
Samgatva swargalokam vishalam Shine punye martilokam vishanti. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
No, full shloka, yeah. Shine punya martalokam vishante is 2 lines. There are 4 lines in every shloka. Yes, anybody?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Tetam bhuktva sargalokam vishalam Shine punye martyalokam vishanti Evam trayi dharma manu prapanna Gata gatam kama kama labhante.
Nice. Sarita Mataji, you wanted to chant the shloka? Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Tetam bhuktva swargalokam vishal martyalokam vishanti evam tvayi dharma manuprapannaha gata gatam kama kama labhante.
Just imagine. And we hear about the spiritual world. Bhagavad Gita has little information because there's not much time. Lord Krishna is going to spend hours and hours explaining about the spiritual world. What is it does? 2 shlokas are there in the Bhagavad Gita which talk about the spiritual world. Yes. Anybody knows? Natada bhashate suryo.
Natad bhasayate suryo Nashatanko na pavakaha Yadvatva na nivartante Tadbhava paramam mama.
ठीक है? Natada bhashate. There is one more shloka which talks. Vyakta avyakta sanatanaha parastasmat.
Tasmastu bhavonyo Vyakto vyakta sanatanaha.
Yes. Then?
Yasya sarveshu bhuteshu nashyatu na vinashyati.
Beautiful.
Krishna Prabhuji. Parastasmatu bhavonya Vyakto avyakta sanatanaga यत् स सर्वेषु भूतेषु नश्यत्सु न विनश्यति.
So beautiful. Hannah, so nice. Now you see, if all of you, 1 week you come here, then we have only 50 weeks in a year. So every time I will have 2 families with me, correct? This is from Bhagavatam class itself. It will be so nice. Okay? So now actually the point is that it is saying there is a beautiful spiritual world and we belong there. Prabhupada says, unfortunately we have disinherited ourselves. It's our inheritance. Krishna is sharing. Krishna is sharing his opulence. Krishna is sharing his planet. You can be just next to Krishna. Sashti, Samipya, Salokya, everything is available. Sarupya. But we have thrown it away. And you are roaming in the material world. Just imagine as suffering. But then you want to go back to the spiritual world, the present stage of consciousness, we will be an embarrassment to Krishna. We know when Krishna Leela was there, what did the Danavas do? They went and attacked Krishna. Correct? And what did even Brahma and Indra do? They disturbed Leela of Krishna. So we are somewhere in between. We are not Danavas. We don't attack the Lord. But we are not even Brahma and Shiva. We are somewhere in between. But only the thing is we are holding the lotus feet of a pure devotee who belongs to the spiritual world. So a pure devotee who is a resident of the spiritual world is worshipable even for the devatas. Correct? When Narad Muni comes who belongs to even devatas worship him. He is special. They cannot think of. See, there is a difference. Suppose you own a company, there are CEOs. Just like say, what is India's big person say, Ambani, okay? Mukesh wala, bada bhai, aapka Bombay ka hai, okay? He will have 1,000 companies, at least hundreds of companies. They come as CEOs come and give him meeting. He hears them, what they are telling, presenting him. But isn't there a difference between the relation with this CEO and with his son? Will he make a marriage like he did for his son, for his CEO? No. He spent his fortune for marriage of his son. Pagalon ki tarah, or his daughter. Whatever. You understand? So devotee is like for Krishna, a person belonging to his home. Prabhupada says, Krishna is 24 hours embracing his pure devotee. He's so dear to him. But at the same time, the devatas are like CEOs. They have an appointment letter from Krishna, but they cannot match the family of Krishna. So we are not targeting to become CEO of Krishna. We are targeting to become we are saying no? Jayuradha Madhova Kunja Bihari Gopijana Vallabha. Prabhupada said Gopijana. We want to become Gopijana. We want to become member of Krishna's family. So, but the point is we are not becoming serious. And we are distracting ourselves with the things which are wastage of our time. Isn't it? Therefore, the symptom of advanced devotee is he does not waste a moment. What are the symptoms of, it doesn't. So any shloka which says we should not waste time. Any shloka. Turnam yatet anumrittu yavat labdava sudullabham. Anybody chant the shloka? Labdava sudullabham. Turnam yatet anumrittu yavat. I have given you a hint now. Nobody knows the shloka? सब लोग 2 चीज रखो हाथ में, एक कंप्यूटर रखो, एक मोबाइल रखो, जैसे ही आता है खट खट खट. लब्ध्वा सुदुर्लभम बहु संभवान्ते तूर्णम यतेत अनुमृत्यु यावत्. लब्ध्वा सुदुर्लभम. नहीं मिला किसी को?
हरे
हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्ण।
प्रभु जी।
अभी मिला जाके।
लब्ध्वा सुदुर्लभमिदं बहु सम्भवान्ते। लब्ध्वा सुदुर्लभमिदं बहु सम्भवान्ते। मानुष्यमर्थदम् अनित्यं पिय धीरः। तूर्णं यतेत न पदेत नु मृत्यु यावन्। निःश्रेयसाय विषय खलु सर्वतः स्यात्।
ठीक है, anybody like to chant the shloka?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes.
लब्ध्वा सुदुर्लभम् इदं बहु सम्भवान्ते मानुष्यमर्थदमनित्यमहमपीह धीरः तूर्णायते तनपते एदनु मृत्युयाव निःश्रेयसाय विषयः खलु सर्वतः स्तात्।
ठीक है, लब्धवा मीन्स वी अचीव्ड, लाभ करना, प्राप्त करना। सुदुर्लभम, वेरी वेरी रेयर। इदम बहु संभवान्ते, बहु मीन्स मेनी मेनी। हाँ, आफ्टर मेनी मेनी बर्थ्स दिस समथिंग वेरी रेयर वी हैव गॉट। व्हाट इज दैट? ह्यूमन लाइफ। ठीक है, मनुष्यम अर्थदम, इट इज वेरी वेरी वैल्यूएबल इवन दो अपीहा इट इज अनित्य। Even though it's temporary, a dhiraha, a sober person understands this. So we need to be sober. When your senses are agitated, when we are covered by anxieties, when our mind is not peaceful, we cannot get this. That is adhira. Adhira person cannot understand. If some person, why people are not able to understand society? They are adhira. We have to be sober, intelligent. If somebody is intelligent and understand that very rare opportunity, just like I give an example, आप तिरुपति गए, ठीक है, and you stand for a queue, अरे बाबा, you take care, admins take care. So you stood in a queue for 2 days and you are waiting, and finally you were in front of the Balaji for darshan, and how much you get? 10 seconds maybe. And in the 10 seconds, you are talking to somebody and you miss the darshan. आई सा बेवकूफी, क्या मूर्ख आदमी, 2 दिन क्यों में किस लिए खड़ा था? So similarly, human life, if you see 84 lakh species, is, some species like plant, maybe we are standing for 5,000 years. Some plants are there like that. So you got human form of life. If you see your cycle of birth and death, that is very short time you got. Among crores of years it took to come to human form of life. And now you are meditating on some habits which are of an animal, you are still going to go there. Again come for crores of years, then you get a small time, comparatively. And in that time, we should take full advantage. So durlabham. 1 second we should not waste. Just like I have seen some devotees, जब मायापुर आते हैं, you go to Mayapur, they don't sleep there. नहीं प्रभु धाम है, they are so serious, I have seen. सोते नहीं है, रात भर बैठ के प्रभुपाद भजन कुटी में जप करते रहते हैं। भाई मायापुर कार्तिक के समय आए, मायापुर का धाम है, आज एकादशी है, सोते नहीं है। मैंने देखा इतने सीरियस। आई एम नॉट सो सीरियस, मैं तो हो जाता हूँ घोड़े में। I've seen some people, let me take full advantage of the opportunity. So Sudurlabha, it's so rare. He's saying, I am come to Dham, it's so rare. Similarly, Bahusambhavante, after a great time, many crores of births, I got human form of life. Manushya, and it is very valuable. Even though it's temporary, anityam, it is arthadam. It is valuable. It's not permanent. We got few days. How many days we got? Let us count. 1,000 days? 5,000 days? 10,000 days? That's all. कुछ लोग क्या ना एस्ट्रोलॉजर को दिखा के खुश रहते हैं। एस्ट्रोलॉजर बोल देता है अभी 20 साल है, बस अब बाद में देखेंगे, अभी इतनी जल्दी क्या है। मनुष्यदम अर्थदम अनित्यपि विधीरा। Because क्या है, you may be tomorrow, even though your 20 years are there, you may fall sick tomorrow. You may leave Krishna conscious tomorrow. अभी तो है ना, don't leave it. Turnam. This is Bhagavatam saying, Turnam, quickly. Turnam means, jaldi karo, jaldi. Yatet, endeavor, jaldi karo. Patet, anumrityu yavat. अरे मृत्यु से गिरने से पहले जल्दी करो। नहीं, हम नहीं करेंगे जल्दी। अरे अभी वो क्रिकेट मैच है तेरा, वो देख लेते हैं, IPL है ना, ये है, देखो फंसे रहते लोग इधर उधर है। मैं चेन्नई में गया था, went to some house. So those devotees, I was supposed to stay in their house. When I entered the house, whole house was seeing cricket match. And BA जो initiated था वो पीछे जपा बैग लेकर हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा. So मैंने बोला क्या हुआ प्रभु जी? प्रभु जी चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स. यार तूर्णम यथेत, पाप कर्म नहीं है लेकिन समय बर्बाद कर रहे. श्री श्री राधा गोविंद की जय. अनुमृत्यु यावत, मृत्यु आने वाली है, जल्दी करो जल्दी करो. निश्चय सा विषया खलु सर्वतः सा. और ये जो इंद्रिय भोग है विषया खलु सब जगह मिलता है. कुत्ते को भी मिलता है, बिल्ली को भी मिलता है, सुअर को भी मिलता है. I will give you that example for the ultimate liberation, sense gratification. Sarvataha. Sarvataha means everywhere it is available. उसके लिए क्या कर रहे हो? I told you that example when I was in college, not college, when I joined ISKCON. So I was distributing book, train में किताब बेच रहा था. So same college के time सब, we talk bad things, we hear bad things. So one day I was sitting in the railway station, the books बेच के, then the same thoughts were harassing me. So then I saw one female monkey, and suddenly a big male monkey came and publicly started having sex with her. Then I was thinking, इसी के लिए you want to waste your time now? इतना ही है ये. It's not that the animal enjoys sex, we are enjoying more than it. Same. आहार निद्रा भय मैं तो, yeah, who knows the shloka?
आहार निद्रा भय मैथुनं च सामान्य एतत् पशुभिः नराणाम् धर्मो हि तेषाम् अधिको विशेषो धर्मेण हीना पशुभिः समानः.
Correct? So it's not that we are enjoying some special pleasure. No, same pleasure animals are enjoying. They are enjoying better than you because they don't have to do the facility you have to do in human life. You have to do marriage. You have to arrange an apartment. You have to so many arrangements you have to make. है ना? फिर job भी चाहिए. Suppose you want, how many difficulties are there? जानवर को कुछ भी नहीं है, रोड में पकड़ लो, खत्म, है ना? So many people actually they envy the animal life. Next life, Krishna says, very kind, I'll make you animal only, no? Because you don't have to do all these arrangements, है ना? So Vishyata, therefore Prabhupada says, Vanara jate hai. What we are seeing is actually bandaro ki aulad. The society today is actually Vanara jate hai. Many times Bhagavatam says Vanara jate hai. बंदरों की औलाद, बंदरों बस बंदर दिख रहे हैं, ये अगले जन्म में भी बंदर ही बनेंगे. Therefore there is a curse that those people who come to Krishna consciousness and still keep meditating on sex life, अगले जन्म में बंदर बनेंगे, है ना? है ना? करेक्ट, बंदर बनते हैं. और अगर भाग्यवान हुए तो बंदर वृंदावन में, मायापुर में तो बंदर नहीं है ना, वृंदावन में बंदर बन जाएंगे. और कभी कभी आप गोवर्धन परिक्रम करते हैं ना, कितने बंदर दिखते हैं, तो आप सोच लो कितने लोग बंदर बन रहे हैं. करोड़ों. भक्ति करने आए थे बट कुछ और में इंटरेस्ट आ गया, तो चलो बंदर बन जाओ. इतना बड़ा दुर्भाग्य. मतलब हमारा असली होम, और रियल होम इज वेटिंग. You know, just like suppose you are left your home for 20-30 years, parents will be in lot of pain. कब आएगा बेटा, कब आएगा, है ना? It's true, it is illusory, but gives an idea. So just imagine, same way Radha Krishna are waiting when he will come back. And when you make an announcement, you take a chapamala and you are attentively, बिना अपराध किए, ऐसा नहीं अपराध करके तो बैठे रहो, तो जब करते रहो. अरे जब आप नामाभास और शुद्ध नाम में जा रहे हो, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे, प्रीति पूर्वकम, प्रेम से जप कर रहे हो, हरे कृष्ण. मैं ऐसे जप करता था जब ज्वाइन किया था, चिल्ला चिल्ला के. सो वन सन्यासी वॉज विजिटिंग द टेम्पल, तो जपा के बाद मेरे को बुलाया, बोले पत्थर क्यों फेंक रहा है? प्रीति पूर्वक, प्रीति से, हरे कृष्ण हरे. भगवान को भी सुनना, हरे कृष्ण अरे यार पत्थर क्यों फेंक रहे? आपको कोई ऐसा बोलता है कितना अच्छा लगता है, जरा प्रीति से बोलो ना, बहुत क्यों रहा है? प्रीति पूर्वक, भजताम प्रीति पूर्वक. सो प्रीति से जप करिए. एंड Prabhupada says in the purport, you read that line again, he says there is no doubt about this. अपना इटर्नल होम यू गो, ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स आर ओवर, सब प्रॉब्लम खत्म, इटर्नली डांस विद कृष्ण, केवल आनंद कांड। इतना हमारा फॉर्चून है, बट क्या करें, वी आर सो अनफॉर्चुनेट, वी आर नॉट बिकमिंग सीरियस, बिकॉज इवन द स्लाइटेस्ट ऑफ डिजायर विल बिकम अ डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन, है ना। तो कृष्णा विल से ठीक है, व्हाट टू डू, एंजॉय क्या कर सकते हैं। देशे वशय करु सर्वसास। ठीक है, नाउ लेट अस, आई विल टेक यू समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. There is a discussion of Vaikuntha. Actually, if you see strictly Bhagavatam, Krishna Loka is actually not directly revealed, because Bhagavatam सब संप्रदाय पढ़ती है. It is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who reveals the unique position of Krishna. It is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who reveals the Goloka of Vrindavana. It is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who reveals Radharani and himself. Correct? If you normal sampradaya, the reading Bhagavatam, we meet Madhwas also, they don't know Radharani, they don't know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, नहीं मालूम हो, कृष्ण लोग भी नहीं मालूम है, हरि सर्वोत्तम, हरि सर्वोत्तम, अरे हरि सर्वोत्तम, हरि कौन है, सीधे बाल खोजने लगे, हरि कौन है, विष्णु है, कृष्ण है, नहीं मालूम, वो विष्णु तक रुक जाता है. And actually normal understanding given is Krishna is also one of the incarnation. Therefore, if you read Chaitanya Charitamrita, when it says Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Supreme Personality Godhead, he spends whole time explaining Krishna is Supreme Personality Godhead. Because Chaitanya Charitamrita is postgraduate study even of Bhagavatam. And he says, and he quotes some verses, Ete cham sakala pumsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. And you see the purport. Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami is going word of word meaning and arrangement of this lines. He is countering the arrangement done by other sampradayas. They escape from this because उनको समझ नहीं आता ये क्या. These are all, see, इधर उधर कुछ श्लोक है, but Goloka Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is actually hidden. In fact, Goloka and Krishna are so rare that only once in a day of Brahma Krishna comes and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes. Other time Goloka Krishna is not revealed. Some acharyas say that Vasudeva Krishna is revealed, not Golok Krishna. मतलब वसुदेव मथुरा की लीला होती है, फिर द्वारका, आपका वृंदावन नहीं है. इट इज वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंशियल. आप समझ रहे? यू वांट टू गो देयर. इमेजिन व्हाट फॉर्च्यून. टिपिकल कलयुगा सोल, जिसको स्वर्ग भी बहुत बड़ा चीज जाने के लिए, इतने पाप करते हैं हम, स्वर्ग भी नहीं है. वी आर नॉट क्वालिफाइड इवन फॉर स्वर्गलोका. We are being offered Vaikuntha. No, not even Vaikuntha. We are offered to Goloka. And not even in Goloka, we are offered the Madhurya Rasa, Gopijana Vallabha Girivardhari. And that is the Namo Mahavadanya. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very, very merciful. And what he is asking you, cost for that? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chaitanya was saying, Iya hoite sarva siddhi tumar. Just chant this, your perfection will come. नहीं करेंगे, नहीं, वो भी जब भी नहीं करेंगे. आगे मोबाइल में न्यूज देखेंगे, अरे कितना, हो गया ना, खत्म हो गया, ऐसे करेंगे. जब तो कर लो, एक छोटा सा चीज कर लो, ठीक है. यू आर डूइंग योर प्रोफेशन, डजंट मैटर. यू आर हैव सम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, होम चिल्ड्रन, डजंट मैटर. एक जब तो कर लो अच्छे से, ठीक है ना. यू स्टार्ट देयर एंड वंस अ गुड जपा कम्स, तब होगा राधा गोविंदा, आई वांट टू डू सम सर्विस. सो व्हाई द टेम्पल्स आर देयर? टू गिव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. You get an opportunity, because spiritual में करोगे क्या? You will cook for the Lord. So you get an opportunity. Therefore temple is there. True, at home also we can do, but temples are better. The seva improves in a temple. In also association is there. Nicely you do some service. That's why I'm telling all of you, come here, cook for the Lord, and take darshan, dance with devotees in Sankirtan, and clean the temple, make garlands for the Lord. वही तो करना है ना. It's not that perfection के बाद कुछ और करेंगे, नहीं. When you go to the spiritual world, यही भी कहोगे ना. You will be making garland, you will be cooking for the Lord, you will be dressing the Lord, है ना, and you will be playing with Him. That's all you are supposed to do. But that opportunity is there. Prabhupada says in the Bhagavad Gita, those who are intelligent catch this. When the shloka is there, natada bhashate suryo, Prabhupada says the intelligent people catch this truth. Try to locate that line. Okay, now I'll show you something. Vaikuntha description. Vaikuntha description is also, Goloka description is there in Brahma Samhita. Yes, anybody knows the shlokas? We sing every day. Chintamani.
चिन्तामणिं प्रकरसद्मसुकल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तं लक्ष्मीसहस्रशतसम्भ्रमसेव्यमानं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।
Venum.
वेणुं क्वणन्तमरविन्ददलायताक्षं बर्हावतं समसिताम्बुदसुन्दराङ्गं कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीयविशेषशोभं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।
ठीक है, so beautiful. So Venum, so sit and chant. सब देखो आज माता जी so nicely practice, all of you पूरा क्रैम करो ब्रह्म संहिता को and chant करो घर में, है ना, so nice. Your house will be purified. हैं, just think, हैं, 5000 साल बंदर थे तुम्हारे, ऐसा एक श्लोक नहीं बना सकते तुम, है ना। ऐसा डार्विन मिले तो जोर जोर के थप्पड़ मारने का उसको, है। 5000 साल पहले बंदर ऐसा श्लोक अभी एक नहीं बना सकता कोई, है ना। इतने सुंदर पोएट्री, the Sundar, this is actually the Brahma's composition. What a poetry it is, है ना। Chintamani, first he is describing the abode. मतलब पैदल चल रहे हो, the designs are like this. ये डिजाइन तो हमारे जो मंदिर में है, जो उसमें तो पत्थर डाला है, पत्थर नहीं है, चिंतामणि लगाते हैं उसमें, डायमंड ज्वेल्स लगाते हैं पैर के नीचे, मतलब ऑपुलेंस ऑफ द स्पिरिचुअल गोलोक ऐसा है। लक्षा सुरभि और करोड़ गाय, वो भी सुरभि, लक्ष्मी सहस्र, चिंतामणि प्रकट सर्मुस कल्प वृक्षा भी चारों तरफ, जो चाहिए तुमको मिल जाएगा, है ना। कुछ देर इज नथिंग, कोई ऑफिस जाने की जरूरत नहीं, कोई कॉलेज जाने की जरूरत नहीं, कोई स्कूल जाने की जरूरत नहीं, बस खेलो पूरा दिन, है ना। वही हम चाहते हैं, लेकिन अभी मुक्त पुरुष नहीं, मुक्त पुरुष हो जाएंगे ना, आपको ऑफिस जाने की जरूरत नहीं, भगवान आके खिलाएंगे। जैसे किसको खिलाया था, बिल्लू मंगला ठाकुर को, माधवेंद्रपुरी को, है ना। माधवेंद्र जी क्या कर रहे थे, वो थोड़ी ऑफिस जा रहे थे, हरे कृष्णा भगवान आके दूध पिला रहे थे, है ना। तो spiritual world, when you become fully loyal to Krishna, Krishna will maintain you. When you have independent desires, Krishna says work. That's why we come to the material world. Say अभी भी देखो, the so many temples are ISKCON and there Krishna is maintaining, है ना। हम थोड़ी ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, Krishna is maintaining. But till the time we are loyal, and it will be very nice. Okay. So that describes Chintamani Prakar Sarmukalpa Vriksha Lakshavate Surabhi Abhipalayantam. ठीक है। Lakshmi and crores of gopis are holding the, a sahasra sambrama. Sambrama means with great respect. They are standing in front of Krishna, eager to sevyamana. Can I do some service? And such Govinda worship, So this is not revealed. The Bhagavatam has a mention of Krishna Leela, but other sampradayas, even after hearing them, don't know that is there in the spiritual world. They don't know Golok is there. There is even Madhva Vaikuntha is there. They don't know there is Goloka. Not revealed. Acharyas have not revealed. Nahi handle kar sakte log, hai na? There is a place where, because of chanting of Hare Krishna mantra and the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you are able to believe all these things. Other Acharya, they could have revealed, but disciples can't digest that. Chup, nahi bola. Ramanacharya also did not reveal Goloka. He talked about Vaikuntha, hai na? Goloka is revealed to you. How fortunate you are. So Krishna, being unique among all the incarnations of Vishnu, is not revealed. The Goswamis revealed it because they belong to the Goloka. Ours is Goloka Parampara. आप देख लो, सब गोलोक के, माधवेंद्रपुरी फ्रॉम गोलोका, ईश्वरपुरी फ्रॉम गोलोका, चैतन्य महाप्रभु फ्रॉम गोलोका, एंड द गोस्वामी फ्रॉम गोलोका, विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर, सब गोलोक वृंदावन है ना. That all belongs to the Goloka. You see that Prabhupada makes that thing in there. That Bhagavatam Krishna is there and all the petals are there, gopis, manjari, sab aa gaye is sampradaya mein. Everybody has come in this beautiful sampradaya. Imagine you belong to that sampradaya. और उसके बाद we are not becoming serious. जहर पी लो इससे अच्छा. Therefore, when Durga Devi was tested Haridas Thakur, and at that time Haridas Thakur तो भाई अपने तो वो he was Paramahamsa. He was not affected. Then Durga Devi says, if somebody does not take advantage of this movement of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for crores of birth, he will not be delivered. करोड़ों जन्म नहीं कर, इतना भी जब पूरा दुनिया को is being inundated by the sweet chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra, उसका फायदा नहीं उठाओगे, करोड़ जन्म में नहीं जा पाओगे. मतलब इतना डिस्काउंट सेल चल रहा है अभी, करोड़ रुपए का चीज 2 रुपए में मिल रहा है. ए हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा हरे, 16 माला जप करो, ऑटोमेटिक 16 माला ढंग से जप करोगे, नियम पालन हो जाएंगे और सीधे चलो. भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर बोलते हैं, राधा कृष्णा बोलो संगे चलो. एनीबडी कैन लोकेट दैट? लोकेटेड. कुहू माता जी लोकेट, राधा कृष्ण बोलो संगे चलो. ओके, नाउ locate that. We will sing that together later. Now let us go to Bhagavatam, where Brahma is our great grandfather. Okay? He, when he was born, he did not know anything, and he was actually could not understand. He, from the lotus he was born, Brahma doesn't know what is my origin. So what does he do? He goes, looks on the petal, he goes down, and Krishna playfully shakes the water. वो डर के वापस आके पेटल में बैठ जाता है. टोटली कंफ्यूज, भाई मैं कौन है, कहाँ से पैदा हुआ है, क्या है ये सब, है ना. एट दैट टाइम ही हियर्स द टू साउंड ता ता. ही डजंट नो फ्रॉम वेयर साउंड हैज कम, बट द गॉड टेल्स हिम डू तपस्या. सेम थिंग, अस वी हैव टू डू तपस्या. ठीक है. एंड देन he does tapasya for 1000 years by the calculation of the Devatas. Because Brahma's life is fantastic. Even Devatas ki tapasya, I mean, how much long it will be. He has done tapasya. And then he started. When the Lord was satisfied, आपने को क्या बोला? आपको बोला है कि करोड़ों साल तक तपस्या करने का, ब्रह्मा की तरह से नहीं बोला. आप नहीं कर सकते. 1 घंटा में तपस्या करोगे एसिडिटी हो जाता है आपको. हाँ, ठीक है. So what he said? ठीक है. The personality Godhead. Yes, Mataji, you will read, Supriti Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. The personality of Godhead, being thus very much satisfied with the penance of Lord Brahma, was pleased to manifest his personal abode Vaikuntha, the supreme planet above all others. This transcendental abode of the Lord is adored by all self-realized persons, freed from all kinds of miseries and fear of illusory existence.
Continue.
In that personal abode of the Lord, the material modes of ignorance or passion do not prevail, nor is there any of their influence in goodness. There is no predominance of the influence of time, so what to speak of the illusory external energy? It cannot enter that region. Without discrimination, both the demigods and demons worship the Lord as devotees. The inhabitants of the Vaikuntha planets are described as having a glowing sky bluish complexion. Their eyes resemble lotus flowers, their dress is of yellowish color, and their bodily features very attractive. They are just the age of growing youths. They all have 4 hands. They are all nicely decorated with pearl necklaces with ornamental medallions, and they all appear to be effulgent. Some of them are effulgent like coral, diamonds in complexion, and have garlands on their heads, blooming like lotus flowers, and some wear earrings. The Vaikuntha planets are also surrounded by various airplanes, all glowing and brilliantly situated. These airplanes belong to the great Mahatmas or devotees of the Lord. The ladies are as beautiful as lightning because of their celestial complexions, and all this combined together appear just like the sky decorated with both clouds and lightning. The goddess of fortune in her transcendental form is engaged in the loving service of the Lord's lotus feet, and being moved by the black bees, followers of spring, she is not only engaged in variegated pleasure service to the Lord along with her constant companions, but is also engaged in singing the glories of the Lord's activities. Lord Brahma saw in the Vaikuntha planets the personality of Godhead, who is the Lord of entire devotee community, the Lord of Goddess of Fortune, the Lord of all sacrifices, and the Lord of the universe, and who is served by the foremost servitors like Nanda, Sunanda, Prabala, and Arhana, his immediate associates. The personality of Godhead, seen leaning favorably towards his loving servitors, his very sight intoxicating and attractive, appeared to be very much satisfied. He had a smiling face decorated with an enchanting reddish hue. He was dressed in yellow robes and wore earrings and a helmet on his head. He had 4 hands, and his chest was marked with the lines of the goddess of fortune. The Lord was seated on his throne and was surrounded by different energies like the 4, the 16, the 5, and the 6 natural opulences, along with other insignificant energies of the temporary character. But he was a factual Supreme Lord enjoying his own abode. Lord Brahma, thus seeing the personality of Godhead in his fullness, was overwhelmed with joy within his heart, and thus in full transcendental love and ecstasy, his eyes filled with tears of love. He thus bowed down before the Lord, that is the way of highest perfection of the living being, Paramahamsa.
तो चाहिए, you want this or you don't want this? We should take a decision. And क्या करना क्या है? जरा अपना जो 16 माला ढंग से कर दो ना, इतना ही करना है. टिकट रेडी है, डेट नहीं लिखा है बस उसमें. टिकट रेडी है. जिस दिन द डे वी टेक शेल्टर ऑफ श्रील प्रभुपाद, टिकट बन जाता है. ठीक है, बट डेट नहीं लिखा है. वो डेट कैन बी crores of birth, the date can be today. बट जस्ट जरा सीरियस हो जाओ, थोड़ा अच्छे से जप कर लो. स्टार्ट देयर, शबडम. Every day read, no? 1 hour we can read Prabhupada books. You are hearing a pure devotee. है ना? Instead of reading how Musk is planning to go to Mars, how people are planning to, why don't you hear? क्या करोगे? Mars में जाके बढ़ना ही है ना. फिर अगले जन्म सूअर बनोगे, क्या फायदा उसका, है ना? So why don't you take an opportunity? And I remember when I read first time this portion of Bhagavatam, I was such ecstasy. Such a, because भागवत से अब तो क्या है, डिवोटीज जो बोलते हैं विश्वास करते हैं, पर जब खुद पढ़ते हैं शास्त्र में लिखा है पूरा, you get shocked. This is truth. It's not that what we are speaking, it is there in the Shastra. True. अभी क्या होता है ना, डिवोटीज लोग बोलते हैं वैकुंठ जाना ये सब, अरे लिखा है ना, ये तो शास्त्र में है ना. And you can read the purport. Prabhupada says, so how much we should become intelligent to not miss this opportunity. है ना, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada used to say, don't wait for another birth. पता नहीं क्या होगा अगले birth में. You see, Bhagavad Gita says, Shine Punya Martalokam Vishanti, है ना? And then he says, life of a Brahmana, you will be born, Shuchinam Srimatam Gehe. Yes, what is the shloka? Shuchinam Srimatam Gehe. Yoga Brashta Sanjayate. Anybody knows the full shloka?
पुण्यकृतां लोकानुषित्वा शाश्वती समाः शुचीनां श्रीमतां गेहे योगभ्रष्टो विजायते.
So beautiful, ठीक है ना? Shuchinam. So we are born in the family of the Shuchi Brahmanas and Srimata, the family, the rich family. But how many people you see in this situation? They misuse the opportunity. The so-called Brahminical families, rich families, the children become spoiled. So we do not know what we will do with that opportunity next, है ना? Just like आपका एग्जाम आ रहा है, सप्ली क्यों लेना है? निकलो ना. अब सप्ली लोगे फिर पढ़ोगे नहीं पढ़ोगे क्या मालूम आपको? Take an opportunity and make perfection. Okay? So this is the opportunity. We are left to us. We want to throw it away. We want to take it. It is our opportunity. Let us become serious. And all what I have to do, first is Shavada. First means first. The basics are basics. Don't ignore the basics. Read Srila Prabhupada books every day. When you try to read, Maya will test you. यार थोड़ा आज का न्यूज़ क्या है जरा देखें. हाँ ठीक है, कितने बारी देखे, देख लिया ना 5 नहीं और भी देख लेते हैं. फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा लेटेस्ट मूवी है ना, थोड़ा उसका कहीं पे मिलेगा क्या, उसको देख लेते हैं. सो वी विल बी एक्चुअली ट्रैप्ड बाय माया एंड वी विल rotate. So therefore what you need to do is actually become serious, you know. And then when you advance in spiritual life, just imagine when you tell Radha Krishna I am coming, there will be a celebration. So much, imagine in material world and a semblance of that. There is no love like the spiritual world. Beta ghar aa raha hai. There will be so much happiness in the house. है ना? So much happiness. So we don't want that. You take one step, Krishna will take 10 steps. But we don't want to take any step in that direction. And disobey, deliberately disobey. Again and again, Shastra is explaining us, Prabhupada is explaining us, still we will do reverse. That is our unfortunate position. So let us take advantage, sincerely let us try to achieve this, the call from the Lord, you know. And Bhagavad Gita is a love letter. Beta, come back home. And Prabhupada says it's a love letter by Krishna. Please come back home. Heart of Krishna. Come back home. Therefore Prabhupada wrote the magazine, Back to Godhead. directly touching the heart of Krishna. Come back home. And not only that, if you make arrangement for other people to come back home, you get infinitely blessed. But we do not do that. We do not do that. Whatever resources we have, let us use it so that people can go back to God. That's the perfection. Okay, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Pranam Prabhuji. Thank you Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Pranam Prabhuji. Thank you so
Hare
much.
Krishna Prabhuji. Sadar Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Sadar Pranam.
Hare Krishna
Krishna Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna Hare
Hare Ram
Rama Hare
Rama Hare Hare Krishna Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama
Hare Ram
Hare Hare
Rama Hare Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna Hare
Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Prabhu.
Hare
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 Rama
Hare Rama Hare Rama
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
तो राधा गोविंद के पास जाना है तो थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा ना, अप्रेंटिस। तो इसलिए आइए इधर, उनके लिए खाना बनाइए, वो देखेंगे कैसा बनाता है खाना है। दे विल टेस्ट कैसा है यार, इसको ये रखो, खाना बनाने भी नहीं आता उनका लिए गार्डन बनाओ, वही तो करना है। बोलेंगे हाँ रिकमेंड, अच्छा गार्डन बनाता है, लाओ इसको जल्दी लाओ so you get an opportunity, so come do service to Radha Govinda. So my desire is 1 week everybody should come in a year, so that way two families will be there from this class itself. Imagine now we have 12 languages, so always it should be crowded to get opportunity where, lekin we have so many other things to go, what can be done? Hare Krishna, thank you everybody.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, एक एक्सेल शीट प्लानर डालो ना, उसमें सब जो अपने हिसाब से वीक वाइज।
ठीक है, अभी डालता हूँ।
Krishna Prabhu.